the earth. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Obey, save, drip, barked, accept. Number 1. I did not dash my friend's suggestion to go to a night movie. Accept.
Accept.
Number 2. We must not let our taps dash and waste water. Drip.
Drip.
Number 3. Good children respect and dash their parents. Obey.
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 Number 4. The little boy was frightened when the dog dash.
Save.
Barked.
Bark.
Barked, not saved. Number 5. Farooq had to work and dash money to complete his studies. Save.
Save.
Exercise D. Adjective of quantity, how much, ये आपने मेंशन करना है. तो इसमें क्या है, हाउ मच कितना, कितने में क्या आ जाएगा, सम. फ्यू,
You.
इनफ,
Enough.
एनी,
Any.
ऑफ यू.
Of you.
टाइम शॉर्टेज की वजह से मैंने सिर्फ आंसर्स कह दिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस. और इसमें क्या चाहिए आपको, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. Any, some, no, a little, a few. Number 1. I took dash candies from the box.
A few.
I do not have dash money to buy a new dress.
Any.
I gave dash food to the beggar.
Some.
There is dash little time left now. A little. और अलग अलग लिखना है, ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. There is dash milk left in the jug.
No